She wasn't born a champion, just a kid with a dream, a ball at her feet, and fire in her eyes. While others followed the rules, she rewrote them. In empty gyms and quiet fields, she built strength. In practice, she sharpened instinct. Every fall, every bruise made her hungrier, like a lone wolf in the wild, not afraid to be different, not afraid to lead. Then came the world stage, and she didn't just show up, she dominated. Rapinoe, the fearless wolf, unstoppable.